Good morning. Welcome. Welcome back. My name is Franco. This is Trading Futures Live. I'm not gonna be trading today. I sent a community message yesterday. Hey, Trader Natty, good morning. I'm not gonna trade. Look, I had a 8.5 hours delay in my flight. I didn't sleep. I didn't eat. So it's gonna be too much if I want to just try to trade and then I take a loser, and I don't want to stretch my my psychology today. I don't think it's necessary. We did have a week off. We didn't trade. I hope you all guys had a very good and fun Thanksgiving. But yeah, I decided to go ahead and come to read the market to start, getting back in shape here. Look, I got home like 3 in the morning. It was painful, like, especially when you have a kid. It's too much. Good morning, MB. Welcome back. Yes, I'm back at my house. I'm not gonna be trading today. The reason is that I didn't sleep well. I didn't eat well. And I don't want to risk my accounts just because I want to trade. Okay, I think it's a good adaptation exercise when you come back from vacation or anywhere you were, and then you need to readapt. Just to take one day to get everything going. Okay, so let's start here. Let's start with pre-market. I think Lagarde is speaking. Yeah, I don't know if she's speaking. We don't have any mayor today. Like, we have Bullard at noon, and then Williams. I figured this is all the CFTC. This is a delayed report. Okay, this should have come Friday, but probably because of the holidays, they didn't put it out. Let's check the rest of the week to see what is coming this week. Some inflation numbers out of Europe tomorrow. Italian and Spanish CPI, Italian PPI and Spanish CPI, and other European CPI on Germany. Oh, this is very impactful. Look, this is very important. Okay, tomorrow for the euro. Remember, the euro moves the dollar. Then here in the U.S., Case-Shiller index. Oh, they put it yellow folder, but or 1 star in this case. Oh, there we go. Here, orange folder tomorrow. S&P Case-Shiller home prices index month over month. For those who don't know what this is Robert Shiller. He wrote a book, Irrational Exuberance. It's pretty nice, pretty good, about economics. He has gotten a lot of prestige with this indicator. Consumer confidence, and then nothing else. Let's go see Wednesday. Mortgage numbers as usual, and ADP non-farm employment change. Wednesday. GDP revisions. Okay, Q3. Preliminary, okay? Preliminary numbers of GDP. That's Wednesday. Wow, we have a lot. JOLTS job openings, import numbers coming out on Wednesday. Pending home sales. As usual, crude oil numbers and gasoline and stuff. Oh, we have Powell speaking at 1:30. The market is about to open though. All right, so I'm gonna go fast here so we can go to the markets and see the dollar. Do we have unemployment? We have PCE. It's very important for the Fed. And let's see Friday. There you go, NFP. It's very busy week. Very busy week. Although today we don't have much. Couple of auctions and couple of speakers. But the rest of the week is gonna be very busy regarding economic news. All right, so the dollar is basically flat. We came down to this demand at 6 in the morning was the low, probably 6:30. Yes. This is the demand. This is a demand that we have had for a little bit here. Yeah, this is demand created in June. Okay, it's yet to see what it's going to do. Now on the lower time frame, we came here last night. You see that we gapped up. We came to this resistance point that we had from last week, and we started to reject to the downside. Now there is some retracements. I remember this drop for me is easy to overcome, to retrace back up. So let's see what the dollar is going to do today. Bond yields making all the losses from London, right? Hitting the demands here. And the VIX is gapping up, but now trying to close that gap. Crude oil finally got to this demand that we had here for like forever, probably like 2-3 months. The demand is from last year, but we had it here for like a couple months, 3 months, I don't know. And then we finally go here at 73.94, and we're back like 50 cents up. Okay. All right, so the market is off, and I'm going to, let me see if I can put the live trading. Well, live trading, that's not the one that I want. I really want the 500 share bar here. There you go. All right, so I'm not gonna be trading live today. If I put a sim trade or something, but I don't want to I might be very sensitive to losses today just because I didn't sleep, and you know, sleep modulates everything in me. Like if I don't sleep, I don't feel good. I feel like I feel weird, right? So I don't want to discover what is going to happen and what is going to happen if I take a losing trade and then try to do stupid things that are not necessary. Okay. All right, so the markets opened up very bullish. Like let's go see the dollar. I want to go see the dollar. I have it here. 5 minutes. Oh shit. I'm gonna put a sim trade just in case. Yeah. All right, the dollar. 5 minutes. All right, we broke the overnight to the upside. The volume is very high today. Very high. Oh no, no. Never mind. Never mind. I'm watching the ES. Yeah. Never mind. No. Volume is within parameters though. Volume is within the parameters. Let's wait for the 938 candle. So we broke the overnight, and then we're retracing a little bit. Yeah, sure. If you're gonna pay for them, if you're gonna pay Tradernatic, bro, I don't want to lose money. Like I want to make money, right? It's stupid if I want to stretch my and try to just trade for the sake of trading, right? For the sake of trading. And I'll tell you, I'm not in good shape. I probably slept like 3 4 hours. All right, so the markets are trying to close the gap from yesterday, and one that probably will do it first is the NQ. So I'm gonna mark off this gap, okay, where the gap is. Let me see, where is it? Right here. I would say here. Oh yeah, we closed it. Right here. There you go. Very, very bullish though. That's a mistake that I used to make. Like I would go out for a trip, for a vacation or something, and then I'll come back like with this hunger of trading, right? To trade, and oh my god, it was so catastrophic. It was bad. Look, this is like a professional sport. Like you gotta be on your peak state at all times. You gotta be aware. You gotta be in shape physically and mentally. And I'm clear. I am clearly not in good shape mentally and physically. I wanted to be here because I want to see the markets, right? But I don't want to spend my money. I want to trade and make money, right? But I don't want to spend it. I don't want to destroy my account. Yo, Mark. That was my vacation office. I have a contract though. I have a contract with that office. All right, so I'll tell you guys. Volume is not high. Volume is to the lower side. It's less than 20,000. Is less than 20,000 contracts on the 7 minute close right here. So I do not expect something we might have a choppy day, who knows. The rest of the week is very busy. Today is not. We just have I think master is speaking in a couple of hours. All right, internals they opened up very negative, and then but the ADQD the picture is now trying to kiss the zero line. ADQD like you made 1,000 from minus 1,500 to minus 500. And I think the overnight high here is putting some buying pressure. So it's a fact the only one that closed the gap was the NQ. The other ones are far from it. Yeah, the ES is not even close. The YM was somewhat close to close the gap. It didn't. Let's go see rates. Bond yields. So bond yields are here. Mm, yeah. So look, dollar is retracing and bond yields are retracing as well. That's why we have this move up so sharp. Now the dollar is trying to push higher. The dollar is the one trying to push higher, but not the bond yields. Yeah, bond yields are back down. Big rejection on the 1 hour. What time is it? Oh, this is the open. So the open, I will take a confirmation here. Yeah, the overnight high is putting a lot of buying pressure here. RTY retracing all the way down to the open. In the meantime, NQ is at the highs of the day. This red line is the gap close. Let's see where we can put a long here. This is not a bad area. This one. Remember, not live trading. Even though it's gonna be good for me, even though I will be trading sim, it'll be good for me to assess, to try to understand how my body is reacting today. All right, so tick chart is coming. It's coming down a little bit, not much. It's not even past minus 400. Mm. So December with the holidays is going to be a short month also. So today for me is a planning day. I'm going to try to plan and adjust my risk and reward ratio so I can um, plan a profit target for December for the rest of the year. So you have to be realistic. These months are short, right? Because of the holidays. You have to understand that. So if you have a goal of, I don't know, let's say $5,000 a month, probably this month is a 35 or $4,000 a month. Okay, $4,000 a month. All right, so no retracement. I do like this one, but remember, I do put a lot of areas during the trading session. That doesn't mean that all of them are good, okay? I have an order here on the sim. All right, so let's go see the ES. The ES has less momentum than the NQ. Although the ES is still trying to recover, right? But the NQ is already flat. The NQ already made all the losses, minus 1% on the overnight. There you go. So I do have this area on the ES. And this is another account, right? Yeah. So definitely the RTY is the weakest today. While the Nasdaq made back 1%, the RTY is still minus 0.70. The dollar's choppy, but the dollar can make all this move. It wasn't very solid. This drop on the London, well, it was the London Open, so we can go ahead and come back to this level. So the level of supply on the dollar is 106.60. 106.60. Sorry, I would say 106.07. Sorry, 106.07. So that's the level where the dollar can bounce to the downside. For now, it's just chopping around since the open. Oh, well, actually, since 9 in the morning. All right, so tick chart hasn't broken the zero line yet. Usually, when it's bearish, like this chart, if you see the tick chart, you will say, "All right, yeah, this is recovering, but we haven't gone through the zero line, right?" But usually, when you touch the zero line for the first time, you have a good retracement, and it wasn't the case today. So this thing is 46. Where was it? 46. There we go. Here, this is the retracement that we have right now. That's the first time we touched the zero line. But I'll tell you, it was the first time at 946. But now we went through the zero line, and now we're retracing back down. So I don't think. Let's go see. I'm gonna put orders here, right? So I have that. Let me see if we can reach this one. Because of the location, this one probably for me is more like a 2-to-1, right? And what I'm going to do, and I did this exercise during my trip, is that on those confirmations order, I'm gonna readjust my stop. Okay, I will not risk the entire area because I want to get a better risk and reward ratio. That's one thing. That is one thing that we were talking about before I went for the vacation. Is that I have this area, right? It's today is not very big. It's just like 9 points, something like that. But with the volatility, my areas has gotten bigger, right? Hence, my target has to be farther because I'm risking, let's say, 40 points, or sorry, I'm risking, sorry, let's say 25 points. my target has to be at least 75 points. So 75 points trade is it's not an easy trade, right? Is we're talking about probably like 0.5% on the NQ every time I trade is not high probability. So what I said was, all right, so if I'm taking this confirmation, let's say I'm taking this confirmation, right? I'm just risking the recent pivot, created, okay? Not the entire area. So I can narrow my risk, hence bring my target closer and then hit it with a higher probability chance. And I did my numbers. We can talk about probably tomorrow with that. I don't. Yeah, rarely I am down in a position, then I am up, and then I am down beyond the pivot, right? That's a rare case for me. So what I would do here is this is a retest zone. You see that? One, twice, one, two, three. It's not a high probability, but I'm sim trading, so I don't care. Like, I'm gonna try this confirmation, and it's good because I have the 7 minutes. So if I have the 7 minute, I might even take this on a limit order. Yeah, 5 seconds for the 7 minute to close, and then I am. Yeah, if this spends the next 1 minute or two around this area, I will take the order off. I will take a confirmation. But since it's just opening the first minute, I will try to see if I can fill this order limit. And full disclosure, I'm not trading live today. Even if I'm trading live, you shouldn't be taking my trades, right? Take this on your own risk. This is a very individual discipline. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off, and then I'll see if this one doesn't work, and I'll try the second one. Here the risk and reward ratio is a bit better. Look, we have the overnight here. Although the overnight's already tested. See that? Like, we went through and then we came back. This is a retest, okay? Below the overnight, I have this 736. Is a good area. All right, so the dollar is going up. That's not a bad thing, okay? This might not be the area where the market is going to bounce. Just because the dollar has some more room to go up, might be this one, okay? But that's okay. The dollar is going up. The chart is coming close to the minus 400. Well, we got filled here at the fourth minute of the 7 minute, so that's the momentum is now to the short side on this 7 minute. I mean, on this 7 minute, the momentum is to the short side. Yeah, we were taking out of this sim trade. Now it's hard for me to take this. Now it's hard for me to take this. All right, the dollar continues. Not much though. All right, let's see if we can take this one. ADQD coming down. Although it's on the negative side, that's the only thing. Let's wait for the next 7 minutes. So here's the deal. I said I'm gonna have the order here limit, right? So the 7 minute closes at the 59. Well, it was the second. It was the second. It was the second minute of the 7 minute. Why do I say that? Because I don't want the momentum against me. And when the candle is old, right, and the momentum is negative, most likely it's gonna close till towards the end, right, of the direction. Meaning, if it's negative momentum, it's gonna try to close um, uh, on the lower part of the range in the candle, right? Next 7 minute is in 1 minute, um, so I could. And we do have another. We do have a pivot here created at 3. This is London. Here, see this? There you go. That is 7:36. There he goes. There goes the dollar rejecting to the downside. Yeah, probably this pivot. Boom, the entire pivot. Mm. You know what? We have a 10 a.m. opening, right? I don't think the momentum is very, very positive. Look at the RTY. RTY is going down. Although the ES has a nice setup. Yeah, we're almost getting filled in this one. See if the NQ has, yeah, NQ has a nice. Let's go see the ES. Are we in it? No, not yet. Choppy right now. So what do you guys think? Tradernatic, Yingling, MB. You guys leaning to the short side or to the long side? Mark, what do you say? Yeah, the long was not bad. There's no momentum to either side though. It's just choppy. Um, yeah. Uh, the NQ tick, the TQ hasn't gone firmly above zero line, so that tells me that the momentum to the long side is limited, right? On the other hand, the dollar is not going up, is just staying right there, and the market is not dropping. Yeah, we might have a sideways day today, like a very choppy day. Now, my objective today is not even take good trades. My objective today is getting my psychology back in shape off of the trip, period. Get used to the risk taking attitude and just try to feel my body. Okay, try to feel how my body reacts to whatever happens in the chart. So this one never got filled, probably for 3 ticks. There you go, 3 ticks. Um, it's okay. It's just the same trade. And the NQ, the general area was good. My risk was not was not good. Now I didn't include this pivot. I did not include this pivot. Now look at this. If I would have taken this trade here, let's say I would have taken confirmation here, and then risked this area only, I would have gotten stopped out, right? Whereas if I would have gotten the confirmation here and take the entire risk, I would have gotten a trade. So that's one thing that I need to pay attention to. What is going to be my risk? So you might say that this is a good area, but it's already tested. See that? Once, twice. Yeah. Momentum is not to either side. Now the RTY is holding while this thing is retracing. Yeah. The RTY is becoming stronger. All right, let's try this. Yeah, Dictor is at the lows, minus 200. 7 minute is good, not bad. There we go, we're in it. Now you can notice here, I'm not taking the entire area, just taking this pivot, okay? Which is good. I'm gonna be doing that from now on, so I can get my targets closer. Now there's no momentum. You see that? There's no momentum to the either side. There's no momentum. All right, so the tick chart finally broke to the upside. Let's see if we can have a momentum pick up here. At this point, I think I was 1-to-1, right? So I'm very relaxed. I'm not even rushing this. Did we go 1-to-1? Yes, we did. Let's do this. I'm gonna move my stop. It's a same trade either way. It's the same trade, so I wouldn't. All right, so we were taking out break even. Yeah, it's not the best rate. There's no momentum. There's no leg out. See if we can have the next one. At this point, not anymore in this area. Yeah, dollar hasn't moved in probably, well, no, like it's not much. It's like half hour. Yeah, but dollar hasn't moved there. What about the ES trade? No, not even close. I'm gonna leave this order on. Um, but it's not valid anymore. Like all the internals are shifting to the downside. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it as a sim trading. There we go. This one is going to be a confirmation. All right, there we go. Where is the 3 to 1? Yeah, so this area is very good. This is the open. See that? This is the open, and then we have a sharp rejection. Now, but I have to be fast if I want to do this. Like, if I want to do the confirmation, came here and then boom. One has to be very fast. All right, so crude oil is $1.5 off of my demand. Yeah, I think that's a high quality demand right there. For those I know trader Natic, you trade crude oil. 74, 73.95 is my demand. Can go watch my videos from that, I think last week or 2 weeks ago. That demand has been there forever. Now it's giving us a nice rejection. I think crude oil at 75 is good. It's great. You're gonna start seeing it at the pump. negative momentum right now, and the dollar is coming down with it. The dollar is coming down with it. No, I trade futures. I trade futures market, but I do watch the dollar. I'm not trading any currency here. Uh, 5 minutes. Yeah. Oh no, it didn't get here. Negative momentum, but positive momentum on the RTY. So he's behaving completely backwards. So NQ is going down, RTY is trying to recover. So when that happens, I want to go see the bond yields. Yo, but no, I was talking about crude oil. I know you trade crude oil. It's coming off of the demand that we have had there. All right. Yeah. Zero momentum. Now the RTY is trying to make it back. RTY is pushing higher where and NQ is trying to hold right there. So it's very sideways. Looks like unwinding. Remember, I don't think this week, but next week's for sure we'll have rollover. For those who don't know what rollover is, we're gonna start trading the March contract from 2023, right? So we're gonna do the rollover once the volume goes to the new contract, to the King one. Sorry, to the front month. But yeah, it looks to me like this is starting to behave like a rollover week. There you go. This is a good area at the open right here. What about the internals? Internals are showing. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this thing long. I'll wait for it. I'll wait for it, and then I'll risk the yo. I said I was not trading, but and I'm not gonna trade, but I wanted to spend some time here so I can get back my mojo. I'm not trading, man. I got a 8 hour delayed flight yesterday. It was painful. I got home like at 3 in the morning or something. Did you keep any sort of data that no, not really. As a matter of fact, this January of 2022 was the worst January I think in history, or the second worst um, January in history. All right, so here's my deal here. Boom, boom. Three. There we go. Yeah, momentum is very negative. I think we're in something. Oh, the ES probably. Yeah. Yeah, we got back to the wow, look at this candle. Wow, massive. Yeah, massive candle there. I have another here. If we get filled, is because this thing is gonna go is going back up. Now, if this thing breaks to the downside, I need to readjust my stop and hence my target. There you go. So here a little bit, and then here a little bit. Tick chart is not very good to the long side, I'll tell you the truth. Yeah. So this area is not. So we went up in the opening, now we're retracing back down. Wow, R2Y is now pointing down. That's very weird. Wow, in just 1 minute, in just 5 minutes. No, actually, 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, just give up everything we made for 30 minutes. Mm. We didn't have any. No, we don't have any speaker yet. I think this guy is speaking at noon. Williams, yeah, 12. Oh, Bullard and Williams are speaking. High volume on this candle. High volume on this candle, so that tells me that we might be close to it. Tells me that we might be close to the reversal right here. Yeah. This is an overnight area. And there's a lot of like good supply. Like this one, the location is not good, but the shape is awesome. Drop is drop, drop is drop. This one too. This one is the one that I like, that I do prefer here, the overnight high. There's no volatility. It's hard for me to think that this is going to get here anytime soon. So the dollar is getting to the supply that I draw at London Open. Is 106.07. Yeah, if you see the daily on the dollar, it's flat, completely flat. I mean, this leg out is strong. Look at this. From this consolidation area. Wow. Boom. Oh 07 to it's like 17 points in. You guys see? It's like 15 seconds. Not very good, man. I got a 8.5 hour delay in my flight. I was destroyed. Um, I think I got it like 3 in the morning. That's why I'm not trading. I don't want to just test my ability to handle losses with 3 hours sleep. Yeah, I know. But thank God we made it, and we're here. I'm gonna be just reading the market, trading sim, and tomorrow I will come back. Um, and in a full capacity. Yeah, so the dollar is approaching to the supply 106.07. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Especially I think it's a good exercise because I've taken vacations before, and I come back here like eager to take trades, and that doesn't work very well for me. So I say, you know what? I will be reading the market. I want to do the live stream and try to recover my usual routine, and then tomorrow I'll make my trades. I'll take my trades. Look, the month is already gone, right? It was a short month. So what I will do today, right after I finish up the live stream, is try to plan for December, because a lot of holidays, a lot of days off. I'm gonna go to Europe on the 22nd, so I will take some days off too. I don't know if I will be able to even um, do the live streams there. I'm not sure. I don't know how the internet will be. All right, so the dollar is approaching the supply, and then this thing is trying to bounce, and the dollar is coming, is retracing a little bit. Although the dollar is doing this, we do have some supplies. We do have this one, we do have this one. So I'm gonna mark them off. Like This one is 1. This one is 2. This one is 3. So the best one for me is this one, right? I don't know if we have the volatility today to get to this level. Since this is sim, I'm gonna take them all. Since this is a sim trading, I'm gonna take them all. And what I would do is like what I'm going to do here is I'm gonna reduce my risk to the recent pivot confirmation, and then I will bring my target closer. Yeah. Yeah. This year, flew so fast. Like, damn. It's already gone. But it's okay. We're getting older. That's not good. All right, so 2 minutes for the 7 minute. Hmm. So here's the downside of this supply is that the dollar isn't in supply, right? I want to take longs when the dollar is in supply, but regardless, it's just moving. I will just put orders there, okay? Let's see if this oh, it went through. Yeah, so I will put here and I'm gonna go for a 3-to-1. Oh shit. All right. Yeah, it's very tight. Very tight stop. There we go. So we were taking out. Yeah, when the dollar is in supply now we have more room here. Short. There we go. And 3. Now the dollar is in supply. I will need the dollar to retrace down for this to be a nice trade. So this one, in hindsight, you can see how good the tradable reaction is because you have a move up and then a sharp move to the zone. That is the definition of a tradable reaction, and then how easy it is to reverse this move. Same thing here. Sharp went down, and now it wasn't sharp move up, but nevertheless was. This move down might be over though. And to the long side, I want to see this reaction, but we already had this one. You guys don't see me, right? Why? That's weird. Oh, I ran out of battery in my camera. I'm coming. I'm gonna put some batteries on the camera. There's no way I'm getting that batteries off. They're in the suitcase somehow. I don't know where they are. But that's fine. That's okay. Um, I'm gonna close the live stream anyway. I'm gonna wait for this trade to finish, and then I'll close the live stream. All right, so yeah, we got this trade here. We got this one. Momentum still um weak. Yeah, I think there are few basic things that I consider in taking a trade, right? Location, number one, momentum, uh, um, internals, and the risk and reward ratio, right? Those four things are very important for me. Now, there's no momentum. To tell you the truth, there's weakness in the market, but there's no momentum. There's no sustained momentum. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, RTY is minus 1%. ES is minus 0.9. Yeah, the NQ is trying to hold, but the other ones are now the bond yields are trying to go up. Oh yeah. I'm gonna watch the game. No, I'm kidding. Look, I'm gonna plan from December. I'm going to do some research on videos, and I'll see you guys tomorrow too. Um, it was nice to see you guys back, and I'll find you guys tomorrow here 9:10. I'm gonna be doing the pre-market and then trading live. Okay. Feel free to please join the channel, subscribe if you haven't, and if you like the video, please click the like button so we can reach more people and help them out. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Have a nice Monday.